Hello and welcome. Think about how much we rely on touch every single day. It's fundamental to how we experience the world. But as we spend more time online, in virtual spaces, or interacting remotely, that sense of touch often gets left behind. Simple buzzes on our phones just don't cut it anymore, do they? That's where advanced haptic feedback comes in. Haptics is the science and technology of recreating the sense of touch. We're moving beyond basic vibrations towards systems that can make digital interactions feel surprisingly real. Imagine feeling the texture of a virtual object, the shape, its weight, even its temperature. How is this possible? Engineers are using a combination of clever technologies. Tiny actuators can create focused vibrations on a surface to simulate different textures. Other methods use electrostatic fields on screens to change the friction under your fingertip, making a smooth surface feel rough or patterned. Force feedback, which you might know from gaming joysticks, provides resistance, mimicking the weight or solidity of things. There are even experimental systems using ultrasound to create touch sensations in midair without any physical contact, and others adding heat or cold. Of course, building these experiences isn't easy. Creating just the right feeling for a specific digital action requires complex software and precise control. Making the hardware small enough to fit into gloves or controllers without being bulky is another challenge. And the feedback needs to be instant. Any lag ruins the illusion. Simulating the sheer variety of things we can feel in the real world is a huge ongoing task. But the potential payoff is enormous. Think about virtual reality. Realistic touch makes VR training for surgeons or engineers far more effective. Virtual worlds suddenly feel more tangible. Gaming becomes incredibly immersive when you can feel the recoil of a tool or the impact of a virtual collision. Beyond entertainment, haptics is crucial for remote operations. Surgeons controlling robotic arms from afar can feel the delicate resistance of tissues, improving safety and precision. Imagine technicians feeling the components they're manipulating with a remote robot. It could even change online shopping, letting you feel the texture of clothes before you buy. And crucially, haptics offers new ways for people with visual impairments to access information through tactile patterns. The future looks even more integrated. Researchers are exploring brain interfaces to directly stimulate touch sensations and smart materials that can change their feel on demand. Haptic feedback is set to become a standard part of our digital lives, making virtual interactions more realistic and bridging the gap in remote connections. The quest to digitize touch is blurring the lines between the physical and the digital, bringing us closer, even when we're far apart. Thanks for listening.